Today I'm going to show you how to use threads in Slack. So what we're going to do on the left side over here, we're going to go to our marketing team. We've got some messages in here. This is a sample account, so there's not actually much going on here. But ultimately, if you want to keep your conversation in a thread, let's say this over here, and this is the message. To the right, you will see when you put your cursor over the message, you'll have some options. So you'll have this completed, taking a look, nicely done. We've got other reactions, and then we've got reply in thread. Go ahead, click on this. Now, when you reply, it will be inside over here. So let's say I see the image, and we are going to say send. And what will essentially happen is it'll come up in this thread. Okay, and if you go and have a look at this message, you'll see that right over here, there's one reply to this. So this will be opened up on the right hand side, and this is now a thread. So if you want to keep all of your messages inside a channel more organized, you can go ahead and use threads.